So now we are looking at med management. This is another app for managing medications, and it's primarily used by caregivers or family members who manage the medications for their loved one. So it's a little bit more hands off by the patient themselves, where the caregiver is in charge of kind of putting in this information and keeping track of everything. So, if you are a caregiver of someone with dementia or Alzheimer's or who has a chronic disease or progressive chronic disease, this would be a really good tool for you. So, let's see how it works. So, again, download the app, check it out. It'll ask you to create a profile. I'm just zooming through the steps here. And then it does give you an opportunity to do a little tutorial on their end. But if you do not, there'll be ways to move through this. I think I'm going a bit fast on this one. So let's go back just a little bit. And so you'll sign up, create an account, and of course, it'll prompt you to do a few security questions. And then, as I said, you'll have this opportunity to watch their guide. If not, we'll just hit plus in the top right corner and you can add a medication. Sticking with my theme here of Zoloft, picking the dosage type or the pill type, the dosage, the frequency, and the name, and confirming the medication. Then I'll ask you if you want to be like set the alarm, set the schedule, what time you want it to be scheduled, how often, is it once a day, twice a day, 3 times a day, and when. Has the option to say before a meal, after a meal, in the morning, afternoon, at night, before bed. So you have a few different things to play with there. Again, you can fill out more information as it prompts you to in order for you to save this and have it send you those reminders. So again, simple program here. What is nice about this is it does have this adherence overview. So it'll tell you if a medication was skipped. And then it can give you a percentage on how often they are consistent or compliant with their medication. And it's great because you can take this to your doctors or the doctors so they can have an idea of what's going on. Again, on the sidebar here, where the 3 lines are, you will have a few different options. And I really like that it does give you the opportunity to sign. We'll pause here to add those dependents or the people who you are caring for. That way it has a complete profile for them.